Hi, this is Younglee from Smart Art by Younglee. Today's video is a drawing review from one of my students. I thought this early stage of portrait drawing of Adriana Lima could be interesting for probably beginner, but it's not only for beginner. I want to show some correction, especially some proportions and likeness, how I would change the face structure. This could be helpful who are struggling with proportions of the face features, such as the eyes or the nose, the lips. In this case, I will explain you more in details, and some of you already have noticed probably, but the irises are too big and the nose too small. My student is 16-year-old and she has not very much portrait experience. I was allowed to use her drawing as reference. So let's have a look together, and I hope this can be helpful for everyone who are watching this video. This is the middle line on the face of the reference photo, and this blue line is on the drawing of my student. There is not a big difference between those lines, but I would change the mouth and chin and move them a bit to right. To check out is also the face line. Her cheekbone on the left side is a bit too much pronounced, and the chin under the lip is also probably too small, and the line to the right jaw is slightly less steep in the drawing. And I think the most noticeable part or feature in the face to correct is the nose. The nose is obviously too small to compare to the face. The proportion of the nose is just incorrect. Also, the feature of eyes. The block line of the left eye is wrong. It's too big, and both irises, they are also too big. They are not placed exactly where they have to be. The position of the irises have to be changed. The side face on her right is also much bigger than the reference photo, so we have to cut or reduce the size of the forehead and the cheek area. In that, we change the hairline to the left a bit, so the forehead will be slimmer and the cheekbone is smaller. Now we can talk about the shoulder. We can use a horizontal line to find out the highest point of the shoulder, the particular on her left. But the right side, we can also use the same method to find the point of the right shoulder too. Now is the head size. The highest point outline of the frontal part of the head is here, and from this line we have to see where on the face feature, for example here is maybe the eye, then we will know that we have to change the highest point of upper head will be changed. And from that point, the line downwards will be steeper and the head amount will be also bigger. So far it was the early stage drawing review from my student, and I hope I gave you some insights, and you will also agree with my opinions what I would change for the likeness from the beginning stage. From now, I want to show you the drawing process from me, how I have started from the very beginning by Loomis method. Thank you so much for watching, and stay with me until end of the video, and I will meet you in the new video, which will be a process video completing this drawing. Thank you and bye!